Hello there, thank you for visiting luscombemotors.co.uk for the walk around video of this Volkswagen Polo Match on a 66 plate, little 1 litre petrol, blue motion. Really nice car. I mean, Polo is one of the I think one of the most reliable sought after super minis on the market now. Even though the Polo is probably not as small as it used to be, it still is a fantastic car. So the Polo Match, what we've got on this car, features on the outside such as your front and rear parking sensors. You've got the smart alloy wheels as well, and you will also notice that the rear glass is a touch darker there, so you have got a very subtle sort of shade of the rear privacy glass. But one thing I've noticed personally about this car, the Polo, just by sort of sitting in it, it's a very spacious car. You know, great interior space, good headroom. Obviously you've got 3 seat belts in the back as well, so for rear passengers there's really good space as well, and a nice comfortable driving position. You'll see it's finished in a really nice sort of matte grey colour. Suits the car really nicely. Other interior features: car's got air conditioning, it's got Bluetooth, it's got cruise control. There's a sort of multimedia touchscreen in there as well that we can have a look at in just a moment's time. Just actually unlock the rest of the car, shall we, just so we can gain access and show you the boot space. So you've got the split folding rear seat facility as well in the boot, and a nice deep spacious boot. Like I say, it's got some great interior space. So in the back you've got space for 3 passengers. There's 3 3-point seat belts in the back, as you'll notice, 3 rear head restraints as well. So you've got electric front and rear windows, electrically adjustable wing mirrors. We'll just have a quick sit in the car. So the car has done a touch over 36,000 miles. It's 36,379. Obviously, as part of our process before the customer takes the car, you'll notice that it said the oil service is due. That will be done, as will a full MOT on the car. Like I said, there's your multimedia screen, so it is a touch screen. You can just touch the icon there and it'll show you things about that. The main owner's manual is in the glove box, and there are also 2 remote keys with the car. When you are on the Luscombe website, please remember to have a look at our technician's video appraisal of the car. That will give you a look sort of underneath the vehicle, focus on items such as brakes, steering and suspension, so you can rest assured that the car has been fully prepared before you take ownership of it. Thanks again for watching the video.